Hi guys, welcome to another product unboxing video. Today I'm going to present you this mini portable charger. Look how it looks inside the box. It's very pretty. It's a very good design. It's a small design, I need to say. It's very practical to carry in your pocket, or you can travel it wherever you want to. It's color black, and look, this is a Type-C port. You just need to turn this little port where it's located. And this is the button where you can turn it on. And look, it looks very pretty. It's a digital design. And here it's the Type-C port. And this works like an in and out. So this is the charger, both sides Type-C. And this is the manual instructions or user manual. It's very short, very easy to understand. It's not complicated. I'm going to show you that it's very short, like 3 mini pages. And now I'm going to show you how it works. Here it has the charger. You just click it on, so it's turned on. And now you just need to plug it in on your device. It can be a computer, it can be a phone. And as you can see, it is connected. It is giving energy to the device, in this case my computer. And yeah, it's very useful. So I really recommend this product. I really like it a lot. It's very nice with a very beautiful design. See you the next one, guys.